How to fix microphone error. The wizard could not start. First open Start and click on Settings. Click on Privacy. Click on Microphone. Enable microphone access for this device. Turn it on. Allow apps to access your microphone. Scroll down and check if your app can access your microphone. If your app is disabled, just turn it on. Enable this so your desktop apps can access your microphone. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your microphone. Click on Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Uninstall Device. Press Uninstall. Now restart.